Welcome to my channel, YouTube. Hello, my name is Ebony, and on this channel I show brow tutorials and makeup tutorials, and we talk about stuff. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're into that. So we are jumping straight into this video. As you can see, I started with the NYX eyebrow pencil in Expresso, and I think I'm going to be using this pencil for this whole brow look, actually. So I started off by framing my eyebrow, like that's the bottom line of my eyebrow and the top of my eyebrow. I framed it out, and I'm just going to be filling it in. I did pluck these brows like a day before or something like that, so I can tell where I need to put my eyebrow pencil at. And during this whole process, you guys, I am using a light hand when I do my eyebrows, so they can look just a little bit more I guess like airy, you know what I'm saying? They not like as like they're not like a real dark brown, you know what I'm saying? I like it light. So we are on to the next brow. I'm flying through this. Started with lining up my underbrow and making sure I'm lining the top of my brow, and then I'm filling everything in. That's usually how I do it. It's pretty good staple of mine. And now, since you've seen me fill everything in, we are to the top of the brow. And right here, I like using a very light hand and just lining everything up. That's the best way I can explain that, and make sure everything is straight. I do like putting a little bit more of like brow product in the front of my brow, like almost like extending my eyebrow, you could say that. And I brush everything out and I make sure everything looks good. And to me, this looks very nice, very natural. I really don't have to put anything underneath because I think it looked pretty freaking good. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up with my Fenty Beauty foundation. I think that's in 445. And I want to get a new bottle because this bottle is pretty old, but it's still doing a very nice clean job. So Rihanna really did her thing, okay, period. And I am taking an old elf rounded pencil, or not rounded pencil, rounded brush. I really forgot the name to that brush, but they still make it, I believe so. And I'm just dipping that into my Fenty foundation and running that right up under my eyebrow. When I like a real natural look, I would use my foundation color to line my eyebrows, or to conceal my eyebrows. Or usually I would use the LA Girl concealer mixed with this foundation. But this looks really nice, real natural. It's giving real natural, and I like it. And now I am finally on to the top of my brows. I used a little bit too much foundation right there, but that is okay. But the technique that I use to actually, line my eyebrows is to go straight across, and then after I see like the line, it's not, I guess it's demarcation, I don't know, but once I go straight across, I know where I need to make like my little angle, my little arch on my eyebrow, and I'll go straight down. And I'm gonna just do this on the other side. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna just go straight as I can, straight across, and then I'll round it or go straight out. Depending on how my arch is looking, how I'm feeling. Sometimes I like a more rounded arch. It makes my face look a little bit more like calming, like a little bit more approachable. But when I have a harsh arch in my eyebrow, I don't really like that. It be making me look a little tough girl. And I am a tough girl. But my eyebrows don't need to be looking like that. Like, you don't need to see that I'm a tough girl, off beat just for my eyebrows. Like, nah, that's not cool no more. So I'm just going in and lining it up, making it look crispy. And now, boom, they're done. They're done. That's all I'm going to do. I might brush out the edges a little bit later. But for now, I'm moving on to my light makeup for the day. I'm going to use that same brush and that same Fenty and just conceal some of my little spots that I got going on. And I'm going back with that Eco Tool brush right there, and I'm blending out the edges or sides of my eyebrows, and they look so pretty, so airy, so pretty, real approachable, real good vibes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just putting some foundation over my eyelids and bringing that color back to life, because baby girl, I had just woke up. And I'm gonna just keep blending all that into until I get like the color shade that I want to complement my eyes and my under eyes. And right here I am blending the under, like right there. I like to blend right there. I don't even know how to explain that, but I like to blend down my eyebrows right there to give me a little bit more of a natural look. And then I'm going, who is that? I think Revolutions. Okay, this is Revolutions bronzer. I'm so glad they came out with this bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. That is in Deep, and I am just going to use a fluffy Eco Tool brush and chisel them cheeks. Give me some little, I don't know, some little bronzer. You know what I'm saying? Hollow out the cheeks, make it look snatched. And I'm going to take that right under my highlight, like where you put your highlight, literally like just right up under there. I kind of like my bronzer to be a little bit more up. I don't like to put it down, like up, like straight across like that. That's why I like my bronzer. I don't like dragging it down anymore. Yeah, and I put some right up under my lip just to give my chin some definition. I put it on my forehead, and if you've seen, I like to come in on the sides of my forehead. And I'm gonna go right in between my nose and define my nose. People be making fun about my nose, but I don't care, because my nose go on my face, so I don't know what they be talking about. They be tripping. So, and then I'm just going to I bronze my nose, and then I just take away some of the product or like drag it down, and I'm gonna put some foundation right there. I'm not giving myself a crazy highlight of my nose. I just want my nose to be there, to be displayed. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have a nose. So that's what I do for my nose. Oh, and I did take some more, and you gotta cover your lip. I don't have a little mustache, but that part, or that right there, really does get a little bit darker. So I put some foundation over it just to even out everything. And yeah, you guys, yay! I am done with my look. This is my daytime look. Ew. If I need to go run some errands or something like that, if I want some groceries, if me and my boyfriend are going out on a little date or something like that, and I really want to keep it simple, this is my go-to simple look. Real nice vibes, real natural. My hair needs to be washed, but that's a different story for a different time. So let me know if you want to see that, and I will definitely put that on here. Make sure you drop a like in those make sure you drop a like, and if you want to, make sure you comment down below, keep in contact with me. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. This is exactly what I'm seeing right here. So thank you. That is all for today, and I'll see you next time.